Well, here we are. We all love music, man. Mao nang if imong favorite artist mag-release og album, murag maka-excite. Labi na ning Blackpink, they released their first album in their 4 years of existence. Excited pa lang ko, it's a full album, it's a full LP for the first time. 8 raman pud siya, and I expected na like 40 minutes, close to 40 minutes ang buong LP. Pero walo kakanta, and it's only 24 minutes long. Na-release na pud ang duha, and on the day of the release, they released a new music video for the title is Lovesick Girls. Kaya sa atong tanawon, Lovesick Girls, their new music video. Ngayon sabi ito sa teaser kay acoustic guitar. Ayos ba ang bass kay pasok murag nag-side chin sa beat. Ayos. That's new. Jisoo, pre-chorus. Oh. 80s inspired synth pop. Shitty pop. Wow. Finally, a singing chorus. Murag, As If It's Your Last. If you aren't aware, As If It's Your Last is my most favorite Blackpink song. Ang kanina, murag ka ng set, man sa D4. Duru-duru. And Rose, pre-chorus. So far, okay ang beat. I love the chorus. Jisoo, dagan sa kapoy, be, dagan. Na 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 na. Ayos ang chorus. Finally, a singing chorus. Kay usually ba kuan nowadays ang ilang mga latest releases kay kanang ang chorus drop, beat drop lang din, instrumental. Uso ba aron na aron pa ang Jisoo eh. Nothing. Ayos ni pang playlist, pang driving. Lovesick Girls. Familiar. More chant. They're still looking for love. Dagan pamilya. Joke lang. Lovesick Girls. That's amazing. Finally, murag dili na mo masasabi na As If It's Your Last Part 2 because lahi mo yun ang hit atong As If It's Your Last. Pero in terms of singing chorus, yeah, ganahan mo yan ng Blackpink singing choruses, and naman po yung ubang fans na ganahan po na itong ang chorus lang kay beat drops like the usual turu-turu, Kill This Love. Yeah, minaw na itong album. Next sa album na sadta. Okay, the first 2 songs on the album is How You Like That and Ice Cream. Nag-react na miya na, tanawin ninyo ang link sa description with Discord boys. Sa Discord mo nagkuha na to. Let's proceed to number 3. The third track is titled Pretty Savage. By the way, wala ko na minaw kuha na ka ng samplers sa album. It's all new to me. There's the first listen. Yeah, hard hitting. This is Trap. Skinny bitch? Jisoo gyapon ng kuan. Oh, ang harmony is Jisoo. Amazing, hard hitting, bop kayo ang beat. It's a beat drop chorus. Pero this song is straight up hip hop. Except siguro sa sa chorus. Jisoo nag-rap. Kana part dili na hip hop. Kani klaro gyud kayo ang sound ani is pwede gyud kay Blackpink. It's a Blackpink sound. Hard hitting bass, hard hitting beats. I like that. Pwede naman pang workout or pagtugtog sa gym ba. And naay kanang refrain na guitar. Wala taas siya. Taas na nice. Napay sprinkle of pink. Interesting ending. Murag nagmelo na ilang voices pero ang beat is the same. I need more of that. I used to mention the first listen. I'm impressed. Next song is called Bet You Wanna featuring Cardi B. Mo din lang ginatis na collaboration with Cardi B. Sakay ni. Blackpink. Si Cardi B nag-ingon og Blackpink. First impression, murag girl power song. Right off the bat. English ni? English ang lyrics. Ayos ba? Wow! Ayos Ako may imagine na kanta is a Spice Girls song. Cardi B. Bill Kalizar man sa English good eh. Oh, ayos ba? Oh, ganahan ko sa chorus ba? Oh, English, Jisoo. Nice. A very amazing B-side track. Very well-produced track. Aside from its Cardi B collaboration, siguro so far, mo akong favorite. A little bit above sa Lovesick Girls. Lovesick Girls, ayos man ang good, ang chorus. But ayos ang ang production sa Betsywana. Murag Spice Girls na kanta. Throwback sound. Murag Lovesick Girls pod. I'm impressed. Ayos ang chorus ba? Okay. Next track is called Crazy Over You. It's already the 6th track. Productions. Wala ko ako may imagine Pussycat Dolls. Ganyan Spice Girls karon Pussycat Dolls. English gyapon Jisoo. So proud. Anticlimactic lagi ito na chorus. It's like an anti-chorus. It's like it builds up then wala nag-drop yun. Murag naglaylo lang ang beat. Ayos din na part 2. Ayos ang beat din na part. The claps and build up like crazy. With Jisoo, vocals. English vocals. Yan, the anti-chorus. Ano lang ba? Laylo lang. Amazing. Believe po sa production. Pero saan mo mga kanta na kanang well-produced? It's amazing. Hindi ka magsawa maminaw. Pero ang intro nila ito kay murag Pussycat Dolls. And the crazy boom beat at the end. Well, pagsugod na ito kanta ba is imagine ako muranig ka ng Pussycat Dolls na kanta. And over time, murag nag-experiment sa production. Like, they added different bass, different claps, different sounds all together. Yeah. Well, Jisoo vocals, English, nice. More lines for her. Murag kanina track is like the experimental song from the album. May mga kanta na inana sa mga albums, dude. Even pop, asli mga kanta na they go all out on the production. This is the one from the album. Next track, 7th track, is Love to Hate Me. Another under 3-minute song. Anong tagkuan no? Plus 3 minutes ang ilang mga kanta. Like close to 4. Focus din ang sugod. So English good din siya. Murag Lovesick Girls lang dili English. Pati How You Like That. Jeez. Jenny na diba? Kani siya na kanta is what you would hear nowadays. About sa akong may imagine basta ka nang murag a totally pop song nowadays. Murag produce ni kuan someone like David Guetta. Iba naman daw to David Guetta na production. Oh, amazing. Ayos sa ito na Lisa na ayos na ayos sa beat ipasok lang kalit sa sa kanta ang that hip hop beat. This is something that what Katy Perry would sing, or Katy Perry song plus not random a hip hop beat at the middle of it. The special. If they really will venture out in the Western market, that's one of B-sides na makita gyud mo. Well, di ba produce man gyapon ni sa sa Western artists, right? Nabasa na ako na si David Guetta daw. David Guetta daw ang isa sa mga producers. Amot lang kanina ba ang kanta, but I read na involved siya in album. It's good. The next track is the 8th and final song. Too bad na. Pang last na. Pubo lang siya, no? The last track is called You Never Know. You Never Know. Di ba kanta mo sa Red Velvet? You Never Know. Korean. Si Jisoo pag yun nag-start. Is this a ballad? Kadi yun na mawala ng ballad sa album sa Blackpink. Nice ang melody. Mura man ni og Big Bang? Mga kanta sa Big Bang within the 2010s. Early 2010s na Big Bang. Like that. Appeal ni sa sa murag Stay, Hope Not. Yeah. It's one of them. You never know. Something Taeyang would sing. Vocals. So Western, I don't know. Mga timpla sa kanta ba kay K-pop yun siya. It's not Western. It's not a Western flavor. It's K-pop. At least in the modern third gen K-pop. They brought out the orchestra. I used to siya an album closer. Definitely an album closer. Those sentimental song. Anticlimactic pag yun ang pagka-end kay murag Shine on Me. That's it. Wow, finally nanagyoy album ang Blackpink. Full album LP. Pero ba yun ang ipanghimo karon na year no kay gi-release yun nila baka lang tulo ka music videos in 1 year. Recently lang ba ilang mga music videos tig once a year lang or twice a year. So second half lang sa year is they've released 3 music videos na. 8 lamang pud ka kanta pugod. 24 minutes lang. It's relatively short for a full LP. Pero nice ba ang mga B-sides dyan na mag-expect na taanin na sa next album sa Blackpink. The Blackpink ba they've really expanded to the Western market. They've made strides this year. YouTube views, appearances nila sa Western shows. Then nagka-collab yun sila sa mga Western artists, Selena Gomez, Cardi B. That's amazing. Groundbreaking for a K-pop girl group. Ako na yun ang K-pop naga-expand na yun. Siguro within a few years daghan na sila. Daghan mga groups na mag-appeal sa Western market. Take strides na yun sila. So far K-pop groups na yun take strides yun sa Western market is BTS, Blackpink. I don't know few years siguro. We'll see. Balik kaya sila sa mga EPs lang. EP or kano sa kaya lang next promotion or next comeback. It's a tough year for the world really from what's going on. Pandemic and all. In my experience, music has never failed me to enlighten me a little bit in these tough times. Might as well enjoy the new albums or new material your favorite artist put out. Kay maka-proud yun ang inana ba. You have your favorite artist mag-release ng album. You have something to look forward to in terms of listening. Give this album 9 out of 10. That's the point of view from the first listen. Pero kung balik-balikon pa na ko paminaw, maybe I may go 10 out of 10. Looking for more releases this year from our favorite artists, from K-pop, from Western artists overall. Also from the OPM, of course. Abangan ang next video. Watch out for the next video. You do you. Keep an open mind. Goodbye. If you have something you want me to react to, music, albums, etc., comment down below. Sige na guys.